Here we have fake OPPO, and let me show you how to enter a Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, tap on power key all together with volume up key and hold it for a few seconds. Now you're in boot mode. Here you can select one from the following options, for example Fastboot, by tapping on volume up key to select the option. So let's pick Fastboot mode, and now to turn it on, tap on volume down key. That's it. Now you are in Fastboot mode. If you'd like to turn it off, you have to turn off your device and get the battery out of it. Simply like this, then just turn on your device as you do it usually. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.